Okay, we're going to start with the star. Go ahead and create a slip knot, and we're going to chain 6. Go ahead and slip stitch into the first chain that we made, and this is going to form a ring. Go ahead and chain 3. This is going to be the start of our first cluster. And then we're going to put a double crochet into the ring. Then we're going to chain 3. Okay, and then we're going to put a cluster of 3 double crochets into the ring. Okay, now we're going to chain 3 again, and 3 more double crochets into the ring. Okay, chain 3 again, and 3 more double crochets. Okay, and chain 3, and 3 more double crochets. And then we're going to chain 3 one more time and put 1 more double crochet into the ring to finish that first cluster that we started. And then we're going to slip stitch to the top of that first chain 3. Okay, and this is the beginning of our star. We should have 5 clusters on the inside of the circle. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to put a single crochet into the top of that chain 3. Then we're going to put 3 double crochets into the space. And then we're going to chain 3. And then put 3 more double crochets back into the same space. Okay, now into the second double crochet of the 3 double crochet cluster, put 1 single crochet, and then we're going to go back to making the 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into each space around, and that's what's going to make the points of our star. Okay, single crochet into the second double crochet, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 more double crochets. Okay, single crochet into the top of the double crochet, 3 more double crochets into the next space, All right, and then we're going to just slip stitch into that first single crochet that we made, and that is the star. Okay, and this part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and put a single crochet all the way around the star just to kind of finish it off. And in each of the tips of the star, I'm just going to put 3 single crochets. Okay, we're going to chain up 5 to make this little tab on the top of the star. And then we're going to put 1 single crochet in each of the chains that we just made. This is just creating a little tab on the top of the tassel to kind of keep it a little bit off the project. Okay, and then we're just going to take a darning needle and thread that end back up through the chains we just made. And that way you can use that to sew it on to whatever project you decide to put it on. Okay, and we're just going to take a tassel and put it on the bottom and just kind of sew it on. I like to go around a couple times and then feed the end back through the tassel. And if you need to know how to make these tassels, I have a video that you can watch that goes over how to make these. Okay, there you go.